Have a nice day, everyone. This video, I will speak about the aircraft recovery. What is the meaning of aircraft recovery? It means to remove the aircraft when it is damaged on the runway and the runway became out of service. So it needs to fast as soon as possible to remove the aircraft away from the runway. This is the meaning of recovery. As many as half of all aviation accidents, maybe incidents, occurred during final approach landing and takeoff procedures. Unfortunately, the most common reason for these incidents is human error, common forms of runway accidents or incidents. When aircraft veers off or overruns the runway during landing or takeoff, this makes the runway out of service. Maybe the landing gear nose or main didn't down and locked. If normal or free fall, the two procedures are failed, so the landing gear doesn't extend. Okay? This is the cases after that. This is the copyright, which here, this is the copyright on the manual to told us not to copy anything or figures from the documents. Okay, this is document of Airbus. Okay, I will take the aircraft recovery manual. Each aircraft type has a recovery manual, aircraft recovery manual. So you will go to this manual and follow the instructions in it. Okay, this is the copyright, so I can't copy anything, but I will show you some notes here. Each manual has highlights. What means highlights? It explains why the revision comes, the revision number and its date. Okay, revision transmittal sheet. This is explained what the changes in this revision. Okay, this is the letters and the page, and the effective page, list of effective page. R means revised, means to be replaced, remove the old and put the new. D, deleted, to delete this paper or to this sheet or this page. And new, to be introduced or added. Okay. Reason for issue. Okay. Let's speak about the reason for this revision. Then list of effective pages, the page number and each date and each status, revised or deleted or new. After that, record of revisions. How many revisions in this manual? Okay. After that, the table of contents as index. Index, vendor list. Here, the vendor list. The vendor means the tools and equipment vendors in alphabetic. You will find it in this manual. Okay. When we go to clear or take the aircraft from the runway, you need to stabilize the aircraft. So tethering means to rope attached to make the aircraft don't move right or left, okay, forward or back. Although the maintenance manual has chapter 6, dimensions and areas, and chapter 7, lifting and shoring, chapter 9, towing and taxing, chapter 28, fueling and defueling. Although the maintenance manual has this chapter, but the recovery manual appointed about these points after that. The cases here. The case number 1, nose gear retracted or collapsed, okay, or lost. The second case, main gear retracted or collapsed or lost. The two. Here, one, left or right. Here, nose gear and either left or right. Here, all gears retracted, collapsed, or lost. Here, lifting using inflatable bags, lifting using hydraulic jacks. So you must take care not to the aircraft slides left or right or move from its place. Yeah? After that, you want to move the aircraft from the runway. The tools and the equipment here. Wide range of aircraft recovery equipment and tools such as recovery lifting slings, recovery lifting bags for aircraft fitting, recovery trailer, recovery dollies, debugging kits, soft ground reinforcement mats. Okay. Here are some examples. Aircraft lifting. This is the bags here. This is inflatable by compressed air. So you need the bags and air compressor. Look here, I will make zoom here to show you the company. Here, aircraft bag, lift bags, 26 ton, okay. And this is the company. The other one, equipment, here, aircraft recovery, okay. Here, other company, show other here. Here is Cons aircraft recovery equipment. This is another company. Here, another company. So many companies make the tools of the recovery equipment. This is example for the bags. Recovery compressor. I think each airline has the compressor. Not need a new one to inflate the bags. Here, other equipment. Recovery lift slings. Here, this is a copy here. This is the company here, Cons. And this is the crane and slings here. Take care here. In the manual also, there are the locations of the hinge to fix the jacks or slings. Here, other one also can. This is a crane and this is the sling. This is other one, Kings also. Here, another aircraft. Catering, aircraft lifting jack. Each aircraft has jack points at the nose and the two wings and the tail. So here is four, one in the front, one in the aft, and two in the wings. 4-point jacks, four jacks. Okay. Also, the manual will show you the jacking point and the forces. This is example for jack. Okay. And this is the jacks on the aircraft, the wings. Okay. So this is short notes about the aircraft recovery manual. The short of it, ARM. Okay, aircraft recovery manual. Take care. You must go to the aircraft recovery manual for your aircraft type. I noticed that you put like and comments in LinkedIn, but in the YouTube channel, I didn't see any comments or any like or dislike. Okay? Please take care of that. Thank you very much. I am waiting your comments and suggestions and your likes in the YouTube channel. Again, thank you very much and goodbye.